Many people marvel at the beauty of Singapore and her progressiveness. Most impressive to note is that she was formerly just a humble fishing village. Fast forward to today. Singapore is a bustling cosmopolitan city populated with high-rise buildings and landscape gardens. At urban scale, an iconic new identity and place has been established through the creation of powerful relationships between the great new public spaces of the Sports Hub precinct, the famous Singapore Central Business District skyline and the surrounding urban fabric. The Sports Hub is a key project in the Government of Singapore's Urban Redevelopment and Sports Facilities Master Plan Vision 2030, promoting a more sustainable, healthy and active society at all levels of participation, nationwide. Designed for long-term legacy usage from the outset, the Sports Hub will set a new standard for adaptability and social integration. At the heart of Sports Hub is the new National Stadium, a state-of-the-art 55,000-seat sports venue, air-cooled for comfort and designed with a movable roof and retractable seating to support the widest range of sports and leisure events throughout the year. It is the first stadium in the world custom designed to host athletics, football, rugby and cricket all in one venue, converting from one mode to another within 48 hours. The dome form was primarily driven by the need to provide cover from the sun and the rain to spectators both inside and outside the stadium. With a span of over 310 meters, the National Stadium is the largest free-spanning dome structure in the world and an awe-inspiring event space. Opened in June 2014, Singapore Sports Hub Campus serves as a dedicated venue where Singaporeans come together as a community to watch, play and support sports and entertainment. The Water Sports Centre is catered for public and community use as well as for national athlete training. Kayaking or canoeing is a sport for all ages. It requires no complicated equipment. All you need is a paddle and a life jacket/buoyancy aid and you will soon enjoy paddling with simple instructions. Spend a relaxing day by paddling down 35 hectares of the newly developed Kallang Basin. A true playground for water sports enthusiasts with the option to rent your own canoe or kayak. There is something for everyone here at Kallang.